just a chicken head. What's up, dude? Tweedle dizzle and tweezle diesel. Huh? Yeah, well, I did that to the flies so they can eat the flies. But they're lazy. What's up, sucker freeze? Why y'all hiding? Huh? What y'all doing over here in the sunny light? Yeah, chicken. A pellet. Look in that seat right there. You'll see some catfish. You'll see some bass bedding in that chair.
Man, look at it. I just seen him right here on the edge. Man, that dude is a monster.
Jump for snakes. Yeah, look where you're at. Oh, look how big those bitches are.
Yeah, they can run fast. There you go right there. Look, swimming out through there. Oh, I can't see it.
I see a snake right there.
That ain't no snake.
It's a turtle?
Look at all the fish right here. Oh, it's turning around.
What is that in the...
That's the grass. They coming back this way. There you go. It's gonna come right up in front of us. Right there. See if it open his mouth. Right out there. No, that's not him. He big, but that's not him. That fish right there, you don't see that big fish right there? Look, finna come on top of the water right there.
The one that making the bubble?
No. They swimming around out there.
Sorry.
Your phone can't pick it up? No. You ain't zooming in.
Yeah.
Where'd the fish go?
We got them damn fish out here, boy. I tell you what. Call this breakfast, supper, and dinner. All in one place. Look at all them fish. What kind of fish are those?
Brim, that. Bluegill.
They got blue tails and blue gills.
Uh-oh. There you go, right there.
How come they ain't coming up and eating these big ass fish?
There go jaws.
They don't see this master fish. Oh, they liking that. They liking that apple.
Look at him.
Yeah, he coming down.
That ain't him. That's a big one, but that ain't him. That thing like it about 2.5 foot long.
That's what they were doing.
Look, there you go.
The daddy. Oh, the baby. Yeah, too far out, huh?
I need some of them bluegill. I'm gonna make me a channel.
Bluegill chicken.
We're going to combine these channels together. I'm gonna get me about 25 of them bluegill and I'm raise them up and start me a phone.
Yeah. We're mixing with some green gills and make some yellow gills.
No, we don't want no green gill.
They tearing this shit up.
I see blue tails everywhere.
They didn't know they had green gills.
Yeah.
They don't want that. They don't like that shit with the white ones. They won't eat that shit for some reason.
That moldy shit?
Yeah. I would think that would give them bioluminescence.
You don't think they eat it?
Hell no, look at it. It's just sitting there.
Look at it. Look close.
I know, but it ain't a lot. Now, if you look over here on this one, there's a shitload of them eating that.
Them bigger fish. The smaller fish eating it. Look at them.
I think that those... Oh, look at that one right there. Look at that big motherfucker right there.
I've been telling you for 3 hours. 3 hours. I'm gonna catch him, I'm gonna throw a bud in there, a couple buds, and let him eat it.
And then wait until he gets hungry or thirsty.
And I stick my arm in there, he's gonna turn into a meat eater.
No. You throw a couple buds in there and just bring a Dr. Pepper and put it close to the shore. When he gets thirsty, come up here. Sprite. Yeah. Sprite is better for fish.
No, that's better because it pushes thirst. If he's thirsty, he said, damn, I'm gonna take that damn Sprite instead of Pepsi.
Yeah.
And the water ain't good.
And it tastes good too when you cook it.
And depending on what it's...
Whoa, son of a buckethead fish.
I want my fish out of there, man. Ain't scared you got to jump out of there?
No, I just moved the damn camera.
Man, don't you want my fish out of there, man, before you eat this shit up. Now you lied to me. Look at him.
Give me a second.
Ain't him.
I'll go get him.
You see how long that fish is?
Let me go get my swim shorts.
That fish is this long, man. But that ain't him.
Which one's that?
This is the one, I got the biggest one up in here.
That's his cousin or what?
Already big. No, it's about 7, 8 of them motherfuckers in here.
That's a kinfolk fish. Oh, there he is.
Go get the net.
Yeah, I ain't got a big enough net for that son of a bitch.
I need my fish in my phone, man. You won't even get my fish back, brother. You lied to me. I can't believe you did that.
No, I just said it just takes time, brother.
Oh, man, it been over a year now. 2 years.
I'm letting him, he's growing. I'm feeding him. I'm adding to his deprication. What the hell's that noise? That's exactly what that was. That was some ducky goose shit going down. You know that duck's got a penis that's shaped like a thorn bush. Yeah, that's the only reason that one don't. Yeah, he has to be female, or he's one of them transgender males that give birth.
So so is he gonna have a beak like a chicken and he gonna swim like a duck?
He's gonna do the duckity buck when you truckity truck. Hey, Cat Williams, what are you doing over here, Cat?
Get the worm, man.
Cat, where your hoes at, Cat? Where them hoes at, Cat? You ain't supposed to be over here. Where's your chicken heads? Why are your chicken heads locked up? What the frick is going on here? I'm going to. I was. Why y'all locked up? I already opened y'all's door once. Damn, how'd the guineas get up in there? The hell y'all got popping? Y'all got guineas and chickens and guineas. Nah, I let him out. I don't know why. I was wondering why that rooster's out here by himself. Where your hoes at, homie? Hey, what's that? Yeah, look at them guineas. They got them the banana. They got them something there. I'll make a bowling on it. Apple day, keep them hoes at bay. What you thinking? What you going for? Uh-oh, he finna get him a side hustle. He going gay. He finna go gay on it. He's trying to hump a male. Them guineas, they lovers. They're not fighters. Uh-oh. You gonna get that up there? You gonna have to pop it. You wanna get it? It's above your head. There you go. Get you some of that.
Got them damn dead pigs running everywhere.
See, look how smart this one is. He does little bites. Precision bites. Here, Mama.
I'm gonna have a funeral over here for turkey and jerky.
The meanest rooster in the world. This one died this morning. I don't know why. Look like they humped him to death. He was a good rooster too. No, he was in there with all the hens. Now we finna see murder. I'm finna feed the...
Murder, he done things we ain't never heard of.
Murder. Here you go, guys. Oh shit, this thing hard. God dang, can't bite this dumb thing. I usually put it right there. I usually put it over that. Give it some kind of shelter.
Tango mango. What you got there? What you gonna use this tool for?
For them?
You know you don't cut no hole in it. Doghouse.
Doghouse chicken head.
Cut you a hole in it where you lay it flat on the ground.
Look at them, they're scared of it.
You run out there full speed, running, jump in there, and jump right on top of that thing.
Look, the duck don't fit. He don't fit. He's worried. He's
Where the duck at?
He's underneath the stairs. He don't fit. Come here, duck.
It's hard being a black duck.
With one eye. There you go. I don't think they like the mango. Shit, that thing will ride us to the moon and back, buddy. That's one of them heavy duty. Huh? I don't know. Oh, wait, it's right there. Here. I don't know. I don't touch things.
All I do is cock it back and let it rip.
No, it's ready to rip already. It just needs a safety zone.
Right, that thing is moving, man. How many you think? Oh, this is my thing it is.
It's just an air BB gun, what you got. Use that tree under as a brief sedation. I'm ready. I'm ready when you are. You better hurry. Hold on now, I got, all right. You gonna let it get away? I don't know where he went now. There he is. You were trying to hit you hit the tail. There he is. Yeah. Here he goes to the shore. You hit the tail again.
Look at him there. Got me walking on the moon.
He ain't dancing, he's laughing at you, son.
We don't play about no goddamn snake.
You hear?
In any form. But fast.
Especially a fast son bizzle too. He was a fast son of a bitch. They don't know nothing about them air rifles around here. Throw him in the compost pile. So he gonna make some flowers. He made 3 snakes out of 1. 3 out of 1. I'm gonna turn that into some dumplings later on. Some dumpling snakes.
I thought his ass on